Hi everyone, welcome back to the YouTube channel. This is Shrey Vijay, and today I'm gonna be introducing you to the three front-end templates which I have been working on for the past 2-3 months, and I will be sharing the screen so that I can give you a demo with an overview of what the templates we have been working on and how you will get the templates to build the applications, especially front-end and AI apps instantly. So let me share the screen and let's get started. So the first templates I was talking about is the AI chat app templates, which basically helps you to build your own AI chat application similar to the chat GPT. So as you can see on the screen, this is an AI chat app which you will get once you get the templates. I'm just giving you a demo of the templates. You can chat to the templates to ask all of the different type of questions. Give me a simple JavaScript message, for example, so it will give you a JavaScript message. So you will get this your own AI chat applications. You can build further AI chat application using these templates. Other functionality which it includes is that it has a sidebar which have a new chat app button which helps to create a new chat applications. You can edit and delete the chat applications with the random name as well, and then you can remove it as well. The sidebar, you can it's responsive as well as you can toggle it as well. The thing you have is the in the modal you can basically have a user details. How you're fetching up a details is through the user authentication, and for authentication we are using the Firebase in the backend. Technology wise, I will come up what technology stack we are using. In the authentication modal, you can basically user can sign up using email passwords as well as using a Google authentication and the GitHub authentication as the authentication provider. Once you click on it, you can basically logged in using the Google through the Firebase, and in the backend we were using Firebase as the database for authentication as for the for storing up a user chats. The last thing is that templates do supports the dark and white or light theme, which you can easily see on the screen. So that's all about the AI chat app templates, which is the first app templates. Definitely the link in the description. Do check it out, and if you like it, do get the templates. Moving ahead to the next templates, which will talk about, is the CRM dashboard templates you can see on the screen. This templates basically includes helps you to first of all make the CRM dashboards for your SaaS applications. So the CRM dashboards basically helps you to manage all your leads, your third party contacts, what's your current SaaS application task, for example, to dos and current task or ongoing task, all your what are your integrations. For examples, if you're an AI SaaS applications, what all APIs you are using and what are tools you are dependent on, your companies you are in touch with, or your investors as well. So this templates basically helps you to create a dashboards of CRM dashboards for your SaaS application, which comes with a lot of data points as well as data different pages which you will be needing. Each of most of the tables and the data sets which we are using comes with small features. For example, here you can sort it out the table using your usernames, your the details. You have a few actions as well. The first few action is you can add a leads over here, as you can see on the leads tables, and you can export comes with download functionalities as well, so you can download the entire table as a CSV tables. A few other small things is you can easily see the drag and drop features which we are providing for the lead, so that you don't have to worry about creating or recreating them. It also comes with paginations as a UI components itself. Uh, Most of the pages which are present in the or which are required in the dashboards are already present or been added up, include such as contacts page, which have a contact tables, which you can easily sort it out. It comes with the contact form as well, which you can simply fill to create your own sample contact. As you can see into the top over here, once you click it, you can see the details. So most of the tables we have added does includes the sorting features as well as the ability to delete and edit the records, the table records. You do have the filling forms where you can fill and create the new rows or add a new row in the table. So it's more of a front end, but it do includes the functionalities and features as well, right? And this is the CRM dashboard templates. You can see the demo. You will get the link of the demo in the description. So if you want it to be tested out on your own on your computer, you can definitely check the link in the description. The templates do we try to be use the same technology stack as we have used in the other templates. For CRM dashboards, we have used Next.js as a framework, React itself, along with Tailwind CSS for styling. We use for charting, we use React Recharts as a React charting libraries. And rest of all the things for the icons, we use Lucid React, and this is the basic technology stack we have used to create this templates. A lot of these details about the technology stack is already mentioned in the README file as well as in the template page, which once you or when you are trying to get the template or buy the template. The link is in the description, of course, but let me show you where you can get the templates. It's currently it's available on the Gumroad page. So once you go to the Gumroad, you can find the templates, and once you click the template page, you can see all the details about the pages present in the template, along with the technology stack and the use cases, as well as how to get started easily. The README file, once you get the code repository, it includes the README file as well, which also have the instructions on how to get started and how to use the template. So that's about the React CRM dashboard templates. And now we'll move ahead to the last templates, is which is the front end oriented. Neuron AI is the name. It's the front end AI SaaS app templates. This template doesn't need any of the backend integrations or any of the backend so far. It's a full-fledged only front-end oriented templates. It includes the landing page, which you can see right now on the screen, which have some cool animations, which probably needs or you will be developing on your own. So we have already creating these animations for you so that it helps you to attract more user as well. Sorry for the disturbance. So Neuron AI landing page includes uh, most of the details which you will be of course creating yourselves once you want to land or create your own front end SaaS applications. So it do includes pages or components like what all the trusted brands or the powered by backed by. It do includes the features you want to showcase to the users with some decent cool animations, and what all the features you provide, how it works, as well as some of the testimonial sections, which gives you the details about the users, what other people are saying about your product. This animations, all these things about the technology stack, we will come about it later. It comes with the pricing page as well, where you can see what's the pricing models for your product to use case, along with some frequently asked questions, subscribe form, and a footer. This Neuron AI templates do comes with the documentation page as well, where you can see and provide a detailed documentations along with some responsive designs and previous next buttons, which helps you to easily create the documentation as well for your AI tool or agent. It comes with the pricing dedicated page for the pricing as well, which helps to so that you can integrate the Stripe or the backend pricing services or your own APIs directly to this button, so that it becomes quite easy for you to instantly launch your own AI agents or AI applications. It comes with a contact us page as well, or most of the things are quite responsive, and technology wise we have been using again same Next.js, Tailwind CSS, React, Redux if needed, and the lucid icons for the cool icon libraries. And for the animations, if you are seeing how these things are animated, we are using GSAP and frame of motion if needed for most of the times. And that's it. Let me repeat again where you will get these templates. The link is in the description, of course, but you can get the templates on my Gumroad account. I will definitely shift it to the dedicated websites, but for the time being, it's available on the Gumroad. Once you go to the Gumroad link, you can you can basically see and get all the three templates correspondingly, such as AI chat applications, Neuron AI, and CRM dashboard templates. If you click on each of the templates on the Gumroad itself, as well as the link in the description, you can see and read the details about the templates and why to choose these templates, how to use it, what all the functionalities these templates basically have, and what all they're perfect for, how much time it will save it to you, and how to use the template as well. We also provide the email support, so you can directly email and we can give you a email support as well. All the three templates are available on Gumroad. You can go and definitely check it out. This templates do comes with a demo page as well. You can easily open it and see and test the demos on your own. Otherwise, all the three template demos are present in the description itself. So that's it for today. Uh, do check out the templates and hoping for your reviews. That's it. See you in the next one.